Hey, good morning, guys. Davit here. I want to talk about negativity, actually spreading negative stuff. Here is a deal: go watch the news, scroll through channels, or scroll through your Facebook feed, and you will see it's filled with negative garbage. Friends are sharing all this crazy news, rumors. It's all negative. So what's the solution? This is from my personal experience. With me, I stopped watching the news. I haven't been watching the news, I would say, for 6-7 months, and to be honest, it's been great. The other thing is your friends and stuff on Facebook. When you scroll, I'm not suggesting you should spend hours scrolling your Facebook, but pay attention. Like, a lot of times people share all the negative crap out there. So when you come across the news, just don't share it. Stop the negativity on its tracks. If you share it, then you're multiplying it, so then it spreads to more people. So just stop it. Instead, what I recommend, share positive stuff. Share success stories of businesses in your community, good news from your church, from your neighborhood, how this person is helping another person, or what good deeds you are doing. It just takes conscious efforts to stop the nonsense out there. A lot of times people are just going through motions in their life, and they are on autopilot. They spread the stuff without even realizing it. So again, when you see negativity, don't share it, just stop it. Just spread the positive stuff, spread the good stuff, because let's be honest, there is so much negativity in this world, and people get paralyzed from all that negativity. You watch enough news, you watch enough drug advertisements, you will think the whole world is going to hell, in a hell basket. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.